Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy is totally different than hormone replacement therapy with standard synthetic hormones. The cool thing is, there are bioidentical hormones out there in prescription form that your regular doctor can give you. Unfortunately, they're not trained or taught about them and how to give them. That is the only problem, but they are available. So they're not available in a ton of doses. So that's why we often have to rely on compounding pharmacies to give us more minute doses, differing doses for each individual. There's actually a huge push in Congress right now. Big Pharma is lobbying to shut down compounding pharmacies. They literally do not want us women to have compounding pharmacies available for bioidentical hormones. That's a travesty. It makes me super angry. And we need to stand against that, because not only does Big Pharma not care about us as women, but they want to profit off us at any cost. And so it's really important that you support the, women's health and legislation to support compounding pharmacies, to support us being in research and actually being seen and heard in the medical system. So that's a whole nother podcast. But I want you to realize that you don't have to suffer. And here's the thing, you guys, I get so much pushback, oh, well, menopause is natural and we should be able to live without our hormones. And, why are you pushing this issue? I'm 47. I'm almost there. I'm almost done making my hormones. And in the year 1900, so just 120 years ago, the average lifespan of a woman was 49. So I was going to die in 2 more years. I wasn't going to live past my menopausal years. Neither were you. So all of a sudden, we have advanced so much as a society in such a short time that we are just in the prime of our lives when we are going into menopause. I'm just getting started with my businesses, right? I'm trying to enjoy my family. My kids are still little. And so the idea of me no longer having my hormones to support my health and my vitality, heck no, that's really scary. No, thank you. It feels miserable. And I feel like we as women should have the right to prolong that inevitable menopause, put that on hold for a few years or a few decades if we're busy and we want to keep kicking ass in life the way that we have been doing, right? So we are just getting started. We're running businesses. We're being amazing employees. We're trying to run households and take care of our families and be fit and run marathons and do all of these things. You literally need hormones to do that, you guys. They affect everything.